All right. So, welcome to the world of exploration. Welcome to the world of learning. Let's start exploring. Let's start learning. This is your very own educator, Sukriti Joshi, your educator, mentor, teacher, preacher, friend, guide, counselor, one and all, at the right destination. That is English curriculum. Yes, you heard that right. English curriculum. All right, so I'm gonna take a workshop on communication skills, that how you should improve your communication skills, how you should work upon your communication skills, and how communication skills will play a vital role uh, in each and every arena of your life. Be it a business, be it a business meeting, be it uh, in MNC, be it a doctor, be it an engineer, be it a lawyer. You need to know the terminologies, right? There are different terminologies. For instance, in law, there are different technical language that we make use of, right? Then in polity, again, different languages used, and um, you know, all over the world, you need to communicate, right? So that could be done in any of the language, right? But you need to communicate. And when I say communicate, you can communicate in Hindi, whatever you're comfortable with, but you need to polish, right? You need to polish your English as well. So even if you're communicating in Hindi, you want to express your ideology or your ideas in Hindi, you feel more comfortable because you have been groomed in that manner, right? So you feel like expressing those thoughts in Hindi, then you should definitely come and attend my webinar, my uh, session, because you are gonna improve on speaking English and conversing, how to hold business meetings, how to have classroom interactions, how to be a teacher, how to become a counselor, how to become what you really want to, what you have decided, what you have aimed at, right? So if you really want to learn communication skills, do attend my seminar, do attend my webinar. It is really going to be really helpful, right? So you need to talk to your, even if you need to talk to your teacher, or you need to talk to your boss, or you need to talk to anyone, anyone who is having a higher authority than you tend to speak in English rather than Hindi. Why? Because you just need to show off. That shouldn't be the case. You should be learning a language because you are inclined towards learning and towards making your brain more versatile towards learning. So I'm not promoting English. I just love Hindi. I love Sanskrit. I love English. I love Japanese. I love French. If you see Japanese as well, Japanese and Hindi, there is a lot of connection. Sanskrit and Japanese का बहुत ज़्यादा connection है. अगर आप उसके deep आप उसका study करेंगे, right? As a Japanese student, so I have learned all these languages, and I can, definitely say, because I know Hindi very well, I know Sanskrit very well, I know Japanese very well, I know a bit of Russian, I know a bit of Russian only. My mom is a Russian, my cousins are Russians. On uh, the right side, and on the left side they're American. So you know there's this blend of all the worlds all together, right? So yeah, so I would definitely recommend you to attend this webinar. This is going to be a very enlightening and enriching webinar for all of you out there. This is Sukriti Joshi. With this, I'll just drop down, I'll just drop the link below. You just need to click on that link and you will be able to register. You need to enter your phone number along with your email ID. I guess they'll be asking you about your email ID, email address, phone number. So you just need to register with your details, and then you can sign up and come up in and be ready with, like, be ready to attend my workshop, right? This is Sukriti Joshi signing off. Bye bye.